Looking to deepen your connection with your partner? Cooking together might be the key. Here are 5 powerful ways to use cooking as a relationship builder. First, it promotes teamwork. When you collaborate, you learn to communicate better, blending your ideas into a delicious outcome. Second, cooking allows you to explore new experiences. Trying out new recipes together can break the monotony and create lasting memories. Third, it creates an intimate environment. The kitchen becomes a cozy space where you can share stories and laughter while preparing meals. Fourth, shared meals foster connection. Enjoying what you've cooked together not only satisfies your hunger but enhances emotional intimacy as you savor the fruits of your labor. Finally, cooking develops patience and problem-solving skills. Navigating a recipe's challenges together helps you to rely on each other and build trust. So, grab your apron and spice things up. Cooking isn't just about food, it's about creating a bond that lasts. Embrace these 5 strategies and watch your relationship flourish in the kitchen and beyond.